Hello there, my name is Hope Ogbonna. Welcome to FOLKLAND. FOLKLAND Property Development Company is an indigenous construction and property development firm. In FOLKLAND, our services are architectural designs, engineering design, landscaping and urban planning, and also civil works and building construction.
We have assembled one of the best of teams you can ever think of in order for us to arrive where we are today, to be able to deliver good services, quality services to you. So we have a vision which is to be the leading construction company in the world.
There's been a lot of restructuring and we've had a lot of cooperation coming our way. We all know that we carry out project management in the core or as a core of what we do. We go through the project management life cycle, which has to do with project initiation, project planning, project execution, project monitoring and control, and project closure. And we intend to see that all of our projects go through this life cycle without there being any kind of hitch to the process.
Our mission is to be innovative, creative, and to make sure that we give you delivery of your projects to you without actually digging a hole in your pocket. And so our projects are budget friendly. Our core values are what I'm going to promise you today, that we are accountable, we are responsible, we have integrity to be able to deliver what we have promised, and our services are apt, and we also promise you excellent delivery.
Right now we have in operation additional or rebranded 3 departments that will help execute projects to the satisfaction of everybody concerned. We have now a department fully in charge of design, research and development. Now we don't just want to design according to textbook knowledge. We want to design according to custom fit. We want to deliver designs that are required, that customers require, that customers are looking up to. Okay, we'll help them bring that into reality by our design. We're equally carrying out through that department research and development into all that we do so that we remain relevant in the market. Construction market is one that is dynamic, and FOLKLAND Property Development Company wants to be equally dynamic in all it does, and that's why we're carrying out researches and developing of those researches. Now we equally have a department fully responsible or in charge of procurement and contracts, because we know that for where we are going to, we might not have enough manpower to execute projects. We have a pool of contractors, credible contractors to execute projects alongside with us, and we have put in place processes for procurement, processes for contracts and contract administration. So we have a full department that is in charge of that. We equally have a department solely in charge of project planning and construction, where we have the engineers and we have the surveyors and even the architects who do the design from the decks and execute on site and follow up that to ensure that designs are executed according to plan. Now, all of these departments are there to better serve our customers, to better serve our affiliates, to better serve any organization that employs our services.
At FOLKLAND, we develop bespoke houses, residential, commercial unit, and hospitality, where we design houses to meet the client's standard, from conceptualization to design construction documents to implementing it on sites, where we make sure we supervise what has been designed and conceptualized with the client's taste to developing it on ground.
We guarantee all our business partners and affiliates their financial security.
I interface with the client to maintain a cordial relationship. I interface with the contractor and suppliers to ensure standard delivery and prompt payments. I interface with the project site to ensure smooth running of the operation.
Yes, with logistics, we got you covered for all your materials that move into site.
We carry out construction projects with detailed supervision. We carry out construction projects to ensure that all engineering scopes are well observed. We are one of the best construction company within the country now, and we assure you, give us your construction jobs, we will carry out the best practice that your project will be one touch.
Giving us jobs, be able to convince you more with the numbers of quality jobs we're able to deliver, ranging from buildings, roads, infrastructure for estate, and many more.
I provide layout information for the land surveyor and the architects for their development of the land, and I also provide network information for both the QS and engineers, the architects, land surveyors, and the quantity surveyors to make sure that information provided on the layout is depicted on the land.
In FOLKLAND, we help our clients to know the cost of developing their projects. For instance, our clients, when they want to develop their projects, they need to know the actual cost.
So basically what I do is design from these decks down to execution. So we do the critical thinking here, so what is being done on site is well executed. So from the paper down here, we do our planning properly.
Now, when you come to, in terms of the type of services that we actually will render to you, they range from integration management, project integration management, project scope management, time management, cost management, communication management, risk management, and procurement management, just to mention but few. These are some of the promises that we can give to you. The reason be that we have assembled the best of crop in terms of project management, project delivery, project supervision. All of these things we put together in order to serve you better. In the past, a lot of designs that we have seen are obsolete, and so we are coming with a new innovation. Innovations such as design, artwork, that you know, these days the bogus houses are not what is actually in vogue, except for few. And so when we talk about space management, we are there. Then in terms of quality, we are there. We promise that this will be delivered to you in a record time. We promise never to deliver project to you in a late period of time beyond the expectation that you give to us.
You can reach us with this number 081 888 00166, and our address is 5th floor Providence Plaza, plot 17 and 18, Lekki Ekpe Expressway, Olokunla bus stop, Lekki Aja, Lagos. Our Gmail address folklandpdc@gmail.com, and our official hours are Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m, Saturday and public holidays 9 a.m. In FOLKLAND, we are building reality.